park our van somewhere for a while, this is how it actually looks like.
We found this sweet spot in Antigua, Guatemala, our fourth country in our journey in Central America. And we actually don't want to leave.
But tomorrow we are hiking an active volcano for 48 hours, without Chasey, without a van. So somewhere in between the markets, the laundry, the movie night we're planning, we have to figure out a way to make that happen.
I really hope we can pull this off.
That's a little bit bigger than mine.
Nice decoration.
I hate this shit. I really hope it's worth it. I really hope it's worth it.
So we found this sweet spot in Antigua. It's not an official campsite actually. It's an avenue for doing events, but we parked here on the grass. Chasey have a lot of room to explore, and we have here electricity and water, so basically everything we need.
Yeah, and usually we can see the volcano behind us. This is not the active volcano we're going to climb tomorrow, but it is just the most beautiful view you can have in the morning here in Guatemala, Antigua, or Antigua, Guatemala.
Every night here costs us 150 quetzales, that is almost 20 USD.
And from what I've seen, it's a little bit expensive for the area, but it is a very nice place, and we just wanted Chasey to have open space to run and have fun. Well, now let's go and take the laundry and take you to a very nice cafe with a volcano view. Hopefully, a volcano view. Let's go. So it is a bit noisy today here in the street, a lot of cars. It is a work day after all, and we are on our way to the laundry. Puedes escribir Sara y David.
Okay.
So we put our laundry, and now we are heading to the cafe. She told us it's going to be ready today at 5:30 p.m. and we got this as proof that we put our laundry here. All right, let's go.
So Antigua is a small colonial town in the mountains of Guatemala. The first thing you notice, it has a different climate than other places we've been
in Central America.
Yeah, so it's amazing. Actually, not extremely hot here, so yeah.
Yeah, like we are not using the AC at all during the day. We're just with the van open and a bunch of ventilators. So weather-wise, it's just an amazing place. Also very beautiful, as you can see behind us. In Antigua, Guatemala, there are 4 different volcanoes. One of them we have shown you. One of the 4 is active, is the Volcano de Fuego. There is Volcano de Agua and Volcano Acatenango, I think I'm saying it right. This is the one that we are going to climb. The 4th one, I don't remember the name. And from this one, we're going to be able to see the active volcano during the day and during the night, which is supposed to be extremely impressive. So stick with us. People are extremely nice here. Like everyone is saying, welcome, welcome, welcome. We arrived at this cozy little cafe, where we spent a couple of hours enjoying breakfast, planning our next few days and getting some work done before heading back out to explore. So we had a great breakfast at Bohemia Cafe. We also had the opportunity to work a little bit on our computers. And now we want to go back to the van, but before we want to take you to the market here in Antigua. And later we will, what?
We will go to rent a backpack for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we will go to rent some equipment for the hike of tomorrow.
Next, we wandered through this artisan market, and the vibrant colors immediately caught our attention. There were so many beautiful handmade items, and we were definitely tempted to buy a few. But living in a van means every bit of space counts. So once again we left with no souvenirs, just the memories. It sounds like a little cliché, but it's honestly true.
This is an artisan market, one of many around here.
Yes.
And very beautiful, very colorful. Also, the people and the sellers are very nice. Always inviting you to see whatever they have to sell. We are right now at the town center, which has a pretty beautiful square, also with a lot of people just hanging around, walking, and some entrepreneurs selling some stuff. So the town really have like a very
Vibrant.
It's very vibrant, very colorful. It has colonial vibes and architecture. Very organized in comparison to other places we've been up until now here in Central America. On one side a little bit touristic place, but on the other refreshing feeling for your trip here in Central America.
It's very walkable.
Yeah. It's not so nice to drive in the car because the roads are made like, I don't know, 300 years ago or something. With this kind of special stone they have around here, but in general we think it's beautiful and we like it a lot.
Another stop worth visiting is the National Museum of Art. And the best part is that admission is completely free. And if you're looking for somewhere to eat, my personal favorite is Caoba Farms.
If there is one thing we really like, it's the coffee here in Central America. We had the last experience in Panama and we bought a lot of coffee also to take home. So here we are in Guatemala, so buying our first bunch of coffee, Central American coffee. And we also asked him to ground it because we don't have a grinder.
The food is fantastic, but it's much more than just a restaurant. It's a beautiful space to relax, explore, and spend a few hours.
And now we are heading towards that rental store to rent some hiking
Gear for tomorrow.
yeah, to rent a backpack, especially a backpack because I have mine, but Sarah does have like a very big one, not suitable for hiking. So that's our main goal. Many buildings here in Guatemala, in Antigua, Guatemala, have these patios inside, which is a little bit colonial way of building or architecture, if you will, which is very beautiful and we really like. Necesitamos una mochila para ella, para hacer el volcán.
Claro que sí, el día de mañana se van a tocar.
Sí, mañana vamos.
Perfecto, ahorita se las voy a bloquear.
Okay.
Esa es.
That's a little bit bigger than mine, but we can change between us. You can take this one and I will take this one. So we have rented Sarah's backpack. It's actually bigger than mine, so she will probably take mine and I'll take this one. And we also bought 4 hand warmers because we heard it could get pretty chilly up there. So we wanted to be ready. And well, all of the other equipment that we're going to need, we're going to receive tomorrow. Now we're heading back to the van, back to Chasey to hang out there to get ready for tomorrow. We still need to finish some stuff for work, for editing the Belize video, and well, have a calm evening and afternoon before this 48 hours adventure that is waiting for us. at the van? Let me know down in the comment section. We have experience in Mexico and now here in Guatemala. Fireworks, midday, just noisy, not even beautiful, and just out of the blue. Chasey is very scared of them. So let me know down in the comment section, what is this all about?
We spent the rest of the evening back at the van, catching up on editing, getting some work done, and calling it a day.
It's already night. We arrived to a place called Vet Pro to leave Chasey for 2 nights here in the town. Why 2 nights? Because tomorrow morning we have to wake up very, very early to arrive to the tour place. And well, that's our only option, and we're pretty sad about it. She will probably have, hopefully, okay time, but we know her. She's very, very, very scared from people and other stuff. So we hope she won't suffer that much. But it's probably the first and last time we do it. All right, let's go inside. Hola, buenas noches.
¿Listos?
Sí.
Me la entrega aquí y ahorita le distribuyo las sus cosas.
Ok, hay que traerle comida.
No, si ella tuviera una comida especial, digamos, usted me da algo, si lo puede traer, pero
No tiene nada especial.
Le damos comida, no hay ningún problema.
Ok, entonces aquí se queda contigo, ¿no? ¿Y esto no necesitas?
No,
nada.
esto te lo quedas tú.
¿Te podemos poner la camita de ella?
Sí.
Para que nos tenga el olor de la casa. Hate this shit. I really hope it's worth it. I really hope it's worth it. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy our day here in Antigua. It didn't end it that happy, but we're pretty excited about tomorrow and the day after. This 48 hours hike is our first time we ever do this kind of stuff. We really hope it's going to go fine and not too hard. We actually don't really know what to expect. Yeah. Join us next time. If you want to support our channel, so we would love you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to ask a question. We answer, up until today, we answered every single one, every single comment people left. And if you really want to support our travels and our content, so you can become a member of this channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.